If you're looking for a clean, aluminum-free deodorant, you definitely want to check out the Dr. Squatch Wood Barrel Bourbon scent. This is a 3-pack. I use this myself. It's really, really good. So what I like about it is, besides the presentation, it definitely does last most of the day, at least for me. So this is what it looks like inside. So it's a roll-on. Definitely lasts for a while. I would say one deodorant lasts for me about 3 weeks, give or take. I mean, of course, that's just my experience. Maybe it lasts longer for you, less for you, but more or less about 3 weeks each one. So this, lasts me quite a while. I really like the scent. So I've used this one before, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like not opened. So it definitely comes with a little plastic, and yeah, so it's a roll-on, and then you just roll it on. Just roll it from here, of course, and then you can see that it is aluminum free there, and doesn't really have any of the pesky stuff that we don't want to have on our armpits. So yeah, so definitely give them a try. There's also other scents you can check out, but I personally like this one. As a guy, I really like the wood barrel bourbon, so it smells really great. So I hope you check it out, and hope the review was helpful.